School is back in session, and we all know that school can certainly be stressful for a lot of students. But Landon Middle School has introduced a new furry friend for the students there. 13's Lane Gillespie introduces us to Benji in this week's Salute Our Heroes.
This is Benji, a new friend at Landon Middle School. But he's not just a friend. He's a therapy dog, one of many in the Topeka Public Schools district. Benji resides with Landon Middle School's principal, Catherine Cooney.
I got Benji during COVID, and he is a 3-year-old golden doodle. He is our family pet, and I decided that he would probably make a good therapy dog just because he's really gentle and loves attention.
Principal Cooney says he went to a training program for 3 weeks to learn how to be a therapy dog, which includes passing a test of knowing what to do in certain social situations. She says the students at Landon have loved Benji so far.
The students really do enjoy him, and I have seen certain students gravitate towards him. I've had teachers come request him so that students can pet him. I've also had to talk to a couple of students in here on maybe choices that they could have made differently. And each time they really gravitate towards Benji, and I notice that they're petting Benji often, and he seems to be comforting to them.
Benji's favorite time to socialize with students is during lunchtime, not because of the food, but because of the many people he gets to interact with. Cooney says having therapy dogs in schools are important for the students' mental health.
School can be stressful for students, and I guess I got my first exposure to a therapy dog when I was a principal at McCarter, and I had dogs that came in and students could just go read with the dog. And I remember escorting one of the students back to the classroom after she read with the dog, and this was a student that really didn't talk to adults hardly at all. And on the way back to the classroom, I could not have her stop talking. She couldn't talk to me enough. And so it really showed me the importance of having animals around students and how comfortable it makes them.
And she says it's important to care about a student's mental health.
Caring about students' mental health is just as important as all the academics that they learn, because if they're not student-centered and their basic needs are not met, the student is not going to be regulated in the classroom. So anything that we can do to make sure that the child is in a good learning state of mind, we want to do at Landon.
Benji, putting smiles to people's faces and making every day brighter. Good boy. In Topeka, Lane Gillespie, 13 News.
Clearly, the students there at Landon obviously have a lot of love for Benji. We have a full list of all the therapy dogs in Topeka Public Schools right now. That's on our website at WIBW.com.